Hi, hello, excellent slides here. We create excellent presentations, and in this video we will together design this slide in PowerPoint. But before we start, there's a competition. First 10 people get this slide design as fully editable PowerPoint presentation. The only things you must do is to like this video, comment below, subscribe the channel with notification bell turned on, and share the video. So please do these things, and now we are starting designing. Alright, so let's create new slide. Of course, remove these default texts, and we will start with, let's say, this green shape. So you may wonder how I created this shape. I will show you. We need triangle, so let's create some triangle. Let's rotate it. All right. First, of course, delete outline, no outline. And now adjust the angle. All right, something like that. Of course, also adjust the size. It will be something, yes, something like that. All right, so we have our triangle, but as you can see, in this green shape, there is also here extended version of this point, of this shape, right? So we will create rectangle, just simple rectangle, adjust the size, of course, and remove the outline. All right, so let's check if it is the same height. 1902, 1905. So let's a little bit increase that. 05. All right, so now when we have this shape prepared, we have to union these two shapes. So click the first and the second shape with Shift or Control. Go to the shape format, merge shapes, and union these shapes. If you don't know anything about merging shapes, I've also created a tutorial about this, so you can check it out. Alright, so when we have this shape, let's take color from this green. So shape fill, eyedropper, and take this green color. All right, and let's position it exactly. All right, and now we can just cut it. So Ctrl and X, and paste it, Ctrl V. As you can see, there are some little mistakes in height, so just increase this shape. Alright, that will be cool. And now you may ask how this photo is also cropped to this kind of shape. So let's duplicate this photo. Position it somewhere here. Yeah. And duplicate this shape. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. As you can see, we have the second shape, and let's check position of this shape to this photo. So let's place it somewhere, yeah, let's say somewhere here. But as you can see, in this area we also have the photo, right? So as earlier, just create a rectangle, delete outline, adjust the height and the size, and now select these two objects by Shift or Control and merge shapes. Yeah, by unioning them. Ctrl X and Ctrl V to paste it. Right click and send to back. And now there is a little advanced trick what we need to do, because we want this photo to be cropped to this size, right? To this shape, right? So first click the photo, select the photo, and as a second object select this blue shape. Alright, now go to the picture format, shape format, merge shapes and intersect. And as you can see, now we have this shape, this photo cropped exactly to this shape. But as you can see here in this situation, this triangle, this shape has some transparency. So let's right click, format shape, and let's check what the transparency it is. It's 20%. Alright, so also make it in this shape, 20%. Alright, the next thing we will do is just to make this line. It's really simple, so I will just copy it. That's just a simple rectangle with this color. Alright, and now let's copy these texts. The font is Poppins, here it's Poppins bold, and here Poppins light. So let's select these three objects, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This color is just this green, and this color in Lorem Ipsum is just black. Alright, now we have to create these texts. So that's also really simple. This is a text with 48 font size. That's a Poppins bolded, just plus 10 million. And this is just Lorem Ipsum. Both of them has just white color. So Ctrl C and Ctrl V in the exact place. And the same with this one. Select these two texts, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. The only thing that you may not know is how to create Lorem Ipsum. I am going to create a tutorial about this, but first I will show you. So let's create new slide, create new text box, and you have to type something like that. Equals mark Lorem, and now in brackets, in just default brackets, you have to type number from 1 to 3, because it's the amount of paragraphs. If you would like 3 paragraphs, so now let's position our cursor at the end and click just enter. As you can see, you have 3 paragraphs. If you would like just 1, so the same, just in brackets write 1, enter, you have just 1 paragraph. Alright, and the last thing are these white borders. So that's also really simple, because there are just white rectangles. So let's copy them, the first, the second, and the third. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's preview our work, yeah, and compare it to the original version. Yeah, it's really almost perfect. Yeah, so that was all in this video. I think you will like this slide design. If you like the tutorial, just place like below this video. And also remember about the competition. You have to like this video, comment below, subscribe and share this video, and then the first 10 people will get this slide design as fully editable PowerPoint presentation. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.